Hello viewers, welcome to Kamsi Space. Yeah, you're welcome today. I know what we do in Kamsi Space. We make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. And we make our videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah guys, this is your first time viewing this channel. You're highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And to our returning subscribers, oh my god, thank you so much for all your support. Yeah, today's video I want to make hibiscus tea, popularly known in Nigeria as Zobo drink. The ingredients I'll be using for this: pineapple, hibiscus leaves, that is Zobo leaf, cucumber, lemon, oranges, then for flavor, ginger. This is strawberry flavor. It's optional. If you don't want, you can leave it. And cloves. Alright guys, let's get started. Yeah guys, this hibiscus tea, Zobo drink in Nigeria, has a lot of health benefits. It is an antioxidant. It helps to repair damaged cells. It keeps the liver healthy. It also aids digestion and weight management. Whenever I notice that I'm adding, I take Zobo just for a while. Yeah, it works for me. The health benefit is immeasurable. I just mentioned few. It has a lot of health benefits. So right now we are going to start. So I'm going to start by washing the hibiscus leaf, the Zobo leaf. So you have to wash it very well. Wash it very well before you start to boil. Then the pineapple, I'm going to wash it very well. I'll peel the pineapple, then slice the inner part into cube. Set aside. The same thing with the cucumber, the orange and lemon. But this one, cucumber and orange, I'm going to do it separately. I'm going to blend this. I'm not going to cook it together with the hibiscus leaves. So these are the ones I am going to cook. Yeah, I'm going to boil these four ingredients: the pineapple, the Zobo leaf, the ginger, and the clove. So let's start. Let me start by washing it. You have to wash it very well because you don't know where they dried it. Because there are a lot of sand. I'll wash it as many times as you wish. I'm going to peel the pineapple. Please, if you're using the peel, make sure you wash it very well. The next is the ginger. You also peel and slice into pieces. Okay, now I'm going to add the hibiscus leaf in the pot. Remember, it's already washed, and the pineapple paste. Like I said earlier, please make sure you wash the pineapple very well. It's what you use. And I will add some parts of the pineapple, not adding everything. Enough water that will cover the contents in the pot. Okay, at this point, I'm going to boil it. Allow it to boil for 5 minutes, which after you will start to add the ginger and the clove and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. So let's boil it for 5 minutes. So while the leaf and the peel are boiling, I have to get the other things ready. Here the cucumber, you also cube it. Add it to the leftover pineapple, then the orange, peel and also cut into tiny pieces. Okay. We add it. Lemon. I'm adding lemon. Okay, right now I'm going to blend them together. So now I'm going to put it in the blender and pour it there till it's smooth. Yeah, see, it's well blended. Set it aside, guys. After 5 minutes, the what do you call it, hibiscus leaf and pineapple are boiled for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add the ginger and the clove to it and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. Also add water, another water. So we are going to allow it for 30 minutes, okay? This is the time it will take the zobo leaf and the pineapple to completely, get soft and tender as well. Yeah, my people, the hibiscus leaf and pineapple are boiled enough. After 30 minutes, we need to put up the heat. Yeah, now time to add the blend fruits. Yeah, this is the blend fruits, so I'll add it. Together with the flavor, I'm using strawberry. Stir it very well. If you can't take it like this, if you want to add sweetener to it, I will advise you add honey instead of sugar. But for me, I'm okay with this. So after stirring, you allow it to cool before you save it. You can take it while it's hot, or you put it in the refrigerator to cool. The weather is very hot, so I like it when it's very, very chilled. Okay, so my people, this is how we make hibiscus tea. After you're done, you put it in a container and put it in the refrigerator to chill. You can take it while it's hot, but I like mine chilled. Okay, please, if you really like my video, give it a thumbs up, comment help us to actually know who is really watching our video. Yeah, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. Keep watching Kamsi's videos. We are bringing to you more exciting videos, both recipe, both vlogs, both lifestyle. See you in our next video, and please don't forget to leave the notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.